Put Fevicol on the ribbon of your desired color. Then, stick the cotton swab on the ribbon. After you're done with pasting the cotton swab on the ribbon, paste the purple circle cutouts as ears. You can use the colors of your choice. After you're done with pasting the oval shaped cutouts as ears, you can proceed to cut some shapes like one white circle and one black circle and put them as eyes. Or you can also use ready-made eyes. Stick the false eyes. After you stick the eyes, cut out a circle paper, preferably of brown color, and paste it as the mouth of the bear. Now, paste a bindi of your choice on the mouth. Now, draw the mouth of the bear. Finish off by making some freckles on the cheeks of the bear. Cut out two circle paper cutouts, one red and one yellow, but you can also use the colors of your choice. Stick the yellow paper on the red paper. Now, take a gift wrapping paper and fan fold it in this manner. Keep folding this till you get the desired shape. Now, take a ribbon or a thread and tie a knot in the middle. Secure the knot properly. Cut off the ends of the knot. Now take this and stick it on the paper with some glue. Now to complete this Rakhi, make the head of a butterfly and the lower body part of a butterfly and color it. And also take a ribbon and stick the whole craft on the ribbon. Finish off the Rakhi with some green dots all over with a green sketch pen. Now we'll take a heart-shaped cutout. Then take another cutout, preferably a circle or a square cutout, and paste it in the center of the heart-shaped picture. Now stick a star in the center of that cutout. Along with that, also paste the decorations of your choice stick it as per your preference and cover the whole design. After you're done with it, you will be left with a beautiful and simple Rakhi for kids. Now take this cutout and stick this whole cutout on a ribbon. For that, you can take the ribbon of your choice or a simple thread and just stick it with the glue. Stick it properly so it doesn't fall off. This Rakhi is a unique one. For this Rakhi, take a paper cutout, a circle paper cutout, and put glue for the eyes. Now stick the false eyes. As I said earlier, you can also cut out a small white paper and a black paper and make the eyes, or use false eyes for the same purpose. Now for the mask, cut a square translucent paper and stick it. Along with that, draw lines for making the strings of the mask. We'll finish it off later. For now, stick the whole cutout on the ribbon. Once you're done with this, take a sketch pen and finish it off by double marking it. Also, you can make eyebrows, a nose and a smiley face. Take a silver round cutout. Now cut it like this. Follow the instructions and cut it like this. The length and the width can be adjusted according to your preference. Now fold it inwards. Take another red paper and cut it in the same way. Fold it inwards with the help of a sketch pen or any rolling pin you have. Stick the red paper on the silver paper. You can also use different colors of your choice. Put a decorative right at the center of the piece. Take a ribbon and attach the decorative to the ribbon. Here you have a simple and elegant Rakhi. Like, share, subscribe.